Fight against a sedentary lifestyle with the SF-E3872 Magnetic Underdesk Elliptical. Prevent slippage and keep up your momentum safely with the non-slip foot pedals that accommodate a variety of shoe types and foot sizes. Adjust through 8 levels of belt drive magnetic resistance to accomplish a wide variety of exercise intensities. Increase blood circulation, joint range of motion, and improve lower body muscular endurance while enjoying a very low-impact workout experience. The centrally located monitor tracks your speed, time, calories, and distance as you move smoothly with the integrated wheel and track system. The compact design will enable users to perform their workouts under most desks or while they recline on a chair or couch. Place your peddler exerciser throughout your living space or move it from office to home with the conveniently centered carrying handlebar. Stride towards your health and fitness goals with the SF-E3872 Magnetic Underdesk Elliptical Peddler Exerciser by Sunny Health and Fitness. Enjoy a quiet, low-impact exercise with the Sunny Health and Fitness Underdesk Magnetic Cycle. Slide your feet onto the pedals with adjustable straps and achieve a 7-inch stride length smoothly, quietly, and consistently on this underdesk machine. Increase blood circulation, joint range of motion, and improve lower body muscular endurance while enjoying a very low-impact workout experience. Bump up the exercise intensity as you cycle through 8 levels of smooth magnetic tension. Switch up your exercise when you use this machine on a desk-level surface to engage muscle groups in your upper body as you pedal forward with your arms. Track your activity data, such as speed, time, distance, and calories burned, with the battery-powered exercise display. This underdesk elliptical is easy to store, weighing just over 19 pounds. You'll be able to move it anywhere. With this machine, you're in control. There's no need to be plugged into the wall to operate the machine. Stride towards your health and fitness goals with the Sunny Health and Fitness Underdesk.
More and more studies are showing remarkable improvement in focus while doing light exercise. What if you can get more activity and feel more alert without leaving your desk? Introducing the FitDesk Underdesk Elliptical. Unlike most underdesk peddlers, the FitDesk Underdesk Elliptical uses a fluid shuffle motion. This is the type of motion found in larger elliptical machines. Simply put, it creates a smooth motion for your legs while keeping your knees from hitting the bottom of your desk. Coupled with our unique 8-position magnetic resistance and balanced flywheel, the pedal motion is smooth and whisper quiet. And at only 29 inches long, it easily fits under most desks. The Underdesk Elliptical has a hands-free foot shifter that allows for tension adjustments with the tap of your toe, so you can stay focused on the task at hand. We've included a removable digital meter with a desk stand so you can track your progress at a glance. Isn't it time you discovered the FitDesk Underdesk Elliptical? FitDesk, where health and
The more you sit, the less you stay fit. Introducing BluTiger, the amazing new way to sit down and shape up. BluTiger is a compact seated elliptical machine that delivers a power-packed workout you can do anytime. With BluTiger, you can burn more calories, build stronger and more toned muscles, and boost your energy levels.
This is a device anyone with a sedentary lifestyle should own and use.
The low-profile design lets you work out anywhere, even while sitting at your desk. Now you can exercise while reading, or chatting with a friend, or while relaxing watching TV.
It's a real workout, gets the heart pumping, all the way from my legs to my abs.
BluTiger's low-impact elliptical motion will tone your leg muscles, thighs, and glutes, and strengthen your abs and lower back. The built-in handle makes it easy to move, and the large anti-slip pedals work with any shoe size. Even monitor your time, speed, calories burned, and distance with the built-in display. Brand new technology delivers state-of-the-art magnetic resistance for a super smooth fluid motion. So work out at any level. Set light resistance for an easy walking motion. Speed up the pace to mimic jogging. Increase the resistance for some cardio climbing, or dial it up even more for intense muscle building, just like the gym.
I'm losing weight and my body is definitely more toned. This thing works.